Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I've got four new Civivis to share with you guys. I just received a box from Civivi/Sendcut with a bunch of stuff, so I thought I would do all four of these at the same time. I've not actually opened them. I have no idea what they are. They're probably at least new variations of things, but I'll link everything right down in the description so you guys can check them out. It does help my channel when you use those links before you buy something, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And thanks to we/Civivi for sending these in. Let's do them one at a time here. The first one is, let's take a look. Button lock Brazen. That's definitely, I mean, the Brazen is a model from a while back that just absolutely, I mean, I think some people like it. It just gained no traction. I think it was almost too plain. A button lock version, though, actually sounds kind of interesting. Yeah, okay. So, you know, it's very similar to a lot of the other button lock knives that they've done, but we have a Tanto and a button lock here. I mean, yeah, I think that'll probably go over really well. Black coated blade, most likely, I'm going to guess this is 9CR. Do we have a little booklet thing here? Yeah, and it comes with all the different colors and stuff. So you'll have an option between jade, black, and the OD. 14C28N actually is what they're doing here. So that's not bad. I hope that they have a reasonable price tag on this because this is just a straightforward, I mean, honestly, the button lock for the Brazen is probably just a better idea all the way around. It was so unbelievably plain before. So yeah, you know what? That'll work. I don't mind that one at all. I think that's kind of cool. Next up we have the Tranquil. Okay, black G10 and 14C28N. Let's see what we got going on here. That sounds like a new model to me. Oh boy, it's kind of a large fellow here. Okay, again, more of, we've definitely seen this before, but if you like a knife on the larger side, because that to me looks like it's trash. It's just desperately trying to get in the shop. Yeah, 8.5. Yeah, it's 8.5 inches all day with a, it's almost a it's about a 3.75 inch blade there. Yeah, nice forward choil there. Actually, very comfortable forward choil. And we have a mostly flat ground. I mean, there's a flat up here, but it is a flat ground blade. Clip point, 14C28N blade. Black G10. Obviously, you're going to have multiple choices here. This is nice because Civivi doesn't have, excuse me, a massive number of full-size or larger choices. Obviously, I wouldn't call this XL, but it's absolutely on the larger side, especially, I mean, you can see here they're compared to the Brazen. Next up, we have something called the Grammit, satin finish 14C28N, one-piece black Kydex sheath. Okay, so this must be a little, I'm going to guess this is a neck knife. I keep losing my cutting apparatus. It feels super duper lightweight. It must be a little tiny thing. Yeah. Wow, itty bitty. Does it come with a sheath? Oh yeah, it does. Okay, like this tiniest Kydex sheath I've ever seen in my life. Alrighty, let's have a look here. You know what? Let me be honest with you. As far as like knives go that I would actually carry around my neck, because I've always said it'd have to be really small. That would be okay. Not as a self-defense thing, right? But just as a, like, if that was my only choice, if I was like, you know, if they were like, you cannot put anything in your pockets, but you can still have a cutting tool on your person, I'd be like, you know what? Maybe this isn't the worst choice. I'm sure people will find multiple reasons to carry something like this. This isn't really my thing, right? But that doesn't mean that it's not for somebody else. As long as Civivi keeps their heads on straight and charges, you know, I mean, this should be unbelievably inexpensive. We'll see. We'll see. The links will be down in the description so you guys can check them. But that should be very, very inexpensive. Does it have variations? It's probably just satin and black. Yeah, the Grammit. Okay. Satin and black. And you should have put a little G10 handle on that. That would have been cool. finally, we have the Praxis polished transparent yellow. Oh, the Praxis in ultem. That actually sounds pretty cool. I hope that Civivi doesn't try, you know, to sell ultem. God, that is actually really cool. Oh man, why does ultem do that to me? Man, I really like that. All of a sudden, I'm back into, you know, for a long time, the Praxis on my channel and many others was considered the greatest budget knife ever. I still think the Praxis is an amazing choice. Have they changed the steel? Let's see. No, that's not the right thing here. Here we go. What did you do for the steel there, Civivi? Now, we're still doing 9CR 18MOV. Civivi, give us 14C28N on the blade. Did you guys like make 10 billion 9CR 18MOV blades and so you can't do any in 14C28N? It's fine. 9CR is fine. But I'm worried about what you're going to charge us for ultem, right? And then the poop cherry on top of that poop cake is going to be that we have 9CR for a price that people don't really want to see. That poop cherry and poop cake is not the right way to say that. I think it's just going to end up with an uncomfortable price tag without seeing it. I got to say, you know, I don't mind the color of ultem. A lot of people don't like it. If ultem was somehow able to be different colors, imagine like a ruby red ultem or an emerald green or a sapphire blue, right? Let's do all the primary colors. Yeah. Or orange, purple, right? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that'd be really cool. I don't know why ultem can only be one color. If you're not familiar with this stuff, it is ridiculous. Look at the texturing on that too. Really nice. A lot of people are going to find a reason to buy the Praxis again with this. Ultem is very lightweight and ridiculously durable. It's not just that it's transparent plastic. I mean, that's cool if you like the transparent thing, but it is also extremely durable, and it makes for an excellent knife handle material. It is not an expensive material. I have a feeling that in fact, I know some companies are already trying to pass it off as some specialized exotic material without actually saying that. They just charge more money for it. I hope that does not become a trend, because if you're new to the knife world, ultem is not an expensive material, right? Just like G10 and micarta is not an expensive material, right? I mean, at least it's in the inexpensive tier of things, right? So we should not be like charging a premium for that type of stuff. All right, these are all interesting. This was not everything that was in the box, but I didn't want it to be like a 15-minute unboxing. I like to keep these around 8 to 10 minutes, right? Yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Each of these knives will be listed individually down in the description. You guys can check them out along with all of their variations. Where are the variations for the... Oh, okay, so the ultem one also comes in black. Why would you do... No, this is also ultem. You just got two... The pictures here, this looks like wood. Yeah, it's still ultem. They just had a bad reflection. So you can also get it in black, which is cool. I honestly think that would look really cool. Are the liners also black? That's probably why. It's not a bad picture. The liners are also black, maybe? I would hope so. I would hope that they did the liners black there. Maybe they did. I don't know. Can find out. That would have been the smart move, would be to do black liners. Okay, that's it for today. I don't know where the card is. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.